How to listen songs together in long distance relationship. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to listen songs together in long distance relationship. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, you will need to have a Spotify premium account as this feature is available in premium account only. Being on Spotify Premium will allow you to play music on up to 6 devices at the same time. So go ahead and open the Spotify application on all of the devices that you want to play music in. And now, on one of the phones, start playing a song, and then on the other phones, tap on the Connect to Device button. You will be able to see the Connect to Device button right there. You should see the name of the phone that is playing music, so tap on it to connect to it. The music will now start playing on all of the phones at once. You can control the playback of the music from any of these phones. For example, you can pause, skip, or rewind the music. Here are a few things to take note of. So firstly, make sure that all the phones are connected to one network. And if you are having trouble connecting to the phones, then try to restart the Spotify application or try to restart your phone and connect again. You can also use a Bluetooth speaker to play the music on all of the phones. So this is how you can listen songs together in long distance relationship. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.